everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. This is my first episode that I'm filming in 2018 and I have missed you. Thank you for all of the love that you showed me for my vlogs in Marrakesh. It was such an amazing experience, but it is also amazing and wonderful to be back home. First episode of the year is going to be the Douce Palette, the 8th palette by JUVIA'S place. The palette came while I was away, so I'm excited to do this review, this swatch and tutorial for you guys. So let us start from the tippy. Let us look at the palette. Let's look at the packaging. Yes, Fumi. So this is a white box this time around, and we have our queens. I love the girls. They look like Las Vegas showgirls, chocolate Las Vegas showgirls, and it has the Douce by JUVIA'S. And then when you tilt it, it's got this beautiful, gorgeous ice cream pink. Then again, it has the Douce palette on the sides, and at the back of the palette, it has the description of what the palette is all about. It says the Douce eyeshadow palette is a sweet blend of soft metallic hues and matte shades, a creamy velvet feel infused with rich pigmentation. It is a cruelty-free product distributed by JUVIA'S Place, New Jersey, designed and formulated in the USA. And the net weight for this palette is 32.4 grams and its shelf life is 12 months. Let us open it, shall we? So the palette retails for $21.50, but I have a little secret for you guys. For the new ones, the old ones already know. I have a discount code. If you use my discount code for 10% off, not only on the palette, but everything at JUVIA'S place, then you go home with more money in your pocket to come all the way back and buy more JUVIA'S place palettes. It's $21.50. With my discount code, it retails for $19.35. And I just think under $20, that is like kind of sort of amazing. And let us just look at the colors right here. I have every single palette that JUVIA'S place has made, and this one just screams ice cream. This screams spring. This screams a new birth, a new moon. I loved the colors. They were so light and very, 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 very feminine. These are the colors that I've used right here. You can see berry mousse out over on the sides, and then I also use the pink one, and that is called creme. I also use the two pink ones for my brow bone, for my tear duct, and for the first time I just wanted to use a different colored mascara. Now I have already done a swatch with my hubby wubby. I'm going to put a picture up, but I'm going to do a couple of swatches right here on my hand so that you can just see what it looks like. So this, my loves, is berry mousse. How gorgeous is that color? Yeah. Then I'm going to go in with macaroon so you can have like a quick look and see, and there you have it. One swipe. Isn't it gorgeous? Then I'm going to go in with puffs. This is puffs right here, and that's what I have in my tear ducts. So you can see how pigmented these colors are. They just scream fabulosity. I'm gonna go in with crepe, and look at crepe. Do you see what I mean? So it's that kind of terracotta pinkishy sand. You understand me? Waffly, puffy color. Yeah, crepe. Yeah. And then I'm going to go in with creme. And there you have it at the bottom there. So that's the creme that I have also on my lid. So this just gives you an idea of what the palette is going to give you. So my loves, we're going to go in a step-by-step makeup tutorial of how I created this look. After that, we're going to have my review and we're going to find out if this palette is FDV approved or not. So I hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorial, and what can I tell you? Off the bat, I was very surprised. It was such an unexpected palette to round up the year of 2017 for me from JUVIA'S, please. It's the freshest palette that they have ever done. I looked at it and I really just thought ice cream, I thought sweets, I thought pink, I thought feminine, I thought very girly. But because JUVIA'S has such a solid reputation, I did not hesitate for once that the pigmentation wouldn't be fabulous. That, you know what, a dark-skinned sister can really rock all of those feminine, lovely, lovely colors and be fab. And they did not disappoint. My favorite color, ironically, I thought it was going to be berry mousse. I was gunning for this color like crazy until I tried cream. And I was like, ooh, I do love it. I do love it. I do love it. I love it a lot. So it was just so exciting because this color, you can wear it on its own and it's not super loud. It's not. And you can make it as pigmented as you want it or as light as you want it. That's another thing I found out about this palette. Of course, I'm giving you guys the drama, you understand me, just to show you how far it can go. This is a day palette. This is a wonderful girl next door day palette, going to work. I'm not a makeup artist. I don't know how to do a cut crease. I just want to pick my eyes up a little bit and be fresh. This is the one for you. Ula, my love.
Is it FDV approved?
It is absolutely FDV approved. It's absolutely FDV approved. Welcome to 2018, my loves. I missed you. I'm going to work really hard this year and bring a lot of tutorials for you, makeup tutorials, everything I'm going to bring for you guys. Congratulations again to JUVIA'S, please. You knocked this puppy out of the park. It was so surprisingly unexpected and I love it. Congratulations to your creative team. They're doing their job. Stay beautiful, stay wonderful, and try all of the colors of the rainbow. I'll see you in a couple of days. Get the palette. Use my discount code. Don't forget. Bye.